Hi friends, welcome to our next tutorial on AndroIndian in manual testing. So in this tutorial we will concentrate on rapid application development. So rapid application development. This we can say as already. So whoever watching first time in my channel, please subscribe to get more updates. So regularly we will post new posts every weekly. We will post different tutorials. Please subscribe to get updates. So this is the rapid application development model. So when requirements are completely known from the customer side, then organizations will follow this. All the requirements are clear, there is no major changes and everything, then this organizations will follow this. And when requirements are similar to old projects, then organizations can follow this model also. Means already we developed some of the application that is similar to this application or some enhancements for that application, then companies, organizations will follow this model because some part of the coding is copied from the old projects, then there will release a software as a new software coding. That is. And the last for this application modeling is here new software will integrated by existing components of the old projects. Simply this, in the name itself, it is a rapid quick development. Quick development in the sense that we can utilize some part of the code or some part of the logics from the some other applications, so we can build new application. That is rapid model. This work out only for enhancements of the projects or something like that. So this is about rapid application development model. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you for watching this. Please